Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Quizlet as a teacher. Quizlet is a powerful online learning tool that helps educators create engaging study materials for their students. You can easily organize your content into virtual classes, making it simple for students to find and access relevant study sets. This platform offers various interactive modes to reinforce learning and allows you to monitor student progress effectively. It's a fantastic resource for enhancing classroom engagement and improving learning outcomes. Creating effective study sets on Quizlet is straightforward. You can design sets with terms, definitions, and even add images to enhance visual learning. For efficiency, import content directly from documents or spreadsheets. Adding audio to terms can greatly assist with pronunciation and auditory learning. Once your sets are ready, sharing them with your students is simple, either through a direct link or by adding them to a specific class you've created. Quizlet offers several dynamic activities to keep your students engaged. Assign Learn mode for personalized study paths that adapt to individual student needs. The match game provides a fun, timed challenge for vocabulary review. For an interactive classroom experience, launch Quizlet Live, where students collaborate in teams. You can also use test mode to generate customizable quizzes with various question types for quick formative assessments. With Quizlet Plus for teachers, you gain valuable insights into student learning. You can view individual student activity and scores, helping you pinpoint areas where students might need extra support. The platform also highlights terms that are most frequently missed by the class, allowing you to address common difficulties. Customize study modes to align with your specific learning objectives, and easily integrate Quizlet with other educational platforms for a seamless teaching experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.